AC programmers, this is Dennis. Several of you asked me to send you my enhanced syncing / bubble sort routine. So here it is. I always put my comment header, my name, the date, and a short purpose statement. This enhanced sort stops after the first iteration once the array is in order. So one iteration once it's in order, no more searching. This is done with this swap flag that I used. In addition to that, each iteration through the enhanced sort, the loop works one less element. This is done using the bottom variable. So I did this with 1, 2, 3, 4 different functions. Here's the array. So what I did with the array is I just put 20 random, well not random, just 20 numbers in it. The first thing I do is I display it. I display it unsorted. Then I sort it. And then I display it sorted. I'm sure you could write this in a minute. You've seen this in my other video. And here's the sort. So the enhanced sort starts off with this extra variable called the bottom. It is the length of the array minus 1. And then here's that flag. This flag is what's going to stop the array once no swaps are made. So I called it the swap flag. The do while loop. I'm going to continue in this do while loop while the swap flag equals y. Once it doesn't equal y, I'll stop. So every time I get in this loop, I set that flag to n. The only time I change that flag back to y is if I do a swap. In other words, if the array is not in order. So here's my inner loop. This is my for loop, which is part of any type of sort. Here's my test, and here's my swap. I'm sure you know by now that the swap takes 3 steps, and you're going to need a temporary variable. So I do the swap, I return y, meaning I did a swap, and that's pretty much it. Let me run it for you, and then I'll stop. So when it runs, here is the unsorted array. There are 20 values, 1, 2, and so on. You can see they're not sorted. They're in random order. I'm going to press enter. And now here are those same 20 values. The array has been sorted in ascending order. Just for the heck of it, let me show you descending order, and then I'll stop. To get that array in descending order, I just go to this relation and flip it from greater than to less than. Watch it work. There's unsorted, and there is descending sorted. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.